Hi everyone, Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, where today we're talking about congestion charge zones. Now you will find these in busy areas and typically in London, and they are signposted so you know when you are entering one. Should you approach the sign and not have the congestion charge paid for, then what you can do is follow alternative road signs to avoid it. Now, congestion charges were brought in so that they could keep those roads quieter and to get people to use other modes of transport through the busy city centres. So London, for example, try and keep those roads clearer, and so those people have to make a financial contribution to be able to use those roads. Now, you can pay for the congestion charge on a daily, monthly, or even a yearly basis. And if you pay, you can use those roads and go through where the signposts tell you to do so. If you've not paid your congestion charge, make sure you do not enter a congestion charge zone. If you found that information useful, then please give it a like, comment or share. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Driving Theory Workshop, by going to YouTube and searching for us in there. Or you can join our online theory course at www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.